Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Marvel Rivals not launching. Now I'm going to be showing you guys multiple methods on how you can fix this problem. Now first method guys is you want to go to the file location of your Marvel Rivals game and you want to open it. Okay, click on right click on the game. Here in my case I'm going to open it here inside the Steam. I'm going to click on properties and click on installed files and you want to click on browse. And here this is the file, as you can see, this is location of the file. Now this is it. Now you want to click here Marvel Rivals launcher, right click it 2 times and you will be able to apply the game there. Okay, so okay, you can just search for it guys inside your PC for the game where like the file location, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's just a way to fix this problem if you don't have like access to Steam. Now I'm gonna be showing, like I said, I'm gonna be showing you multiple methods on how you can fix this problem. Now if you have still access to the game here on if you click here on library here in the top here, you want to click on right click on the game and click on properties and you want to click here on installed files and you want to click on here where it says browse. Okay, now you want to search here for Marvel Rivals launcher and then right click and click on show more options. After that you want to click on show click on properties at the bottom and then you want to click on compatibility and you want to click on this run this program as a compatibility for, as you can see, choose here Windows 8. Okay, after that you want to check these boxes where it says disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Just check these 2 boxes here and make sure you click on apply. Okay, so after guys you click on apply, see if the problem is solved. If it doesn't, if it's not solved yet, I'm going to be showing you guys other methods right now. Now another way guys is you want to right click on the game again, click on properties, installed files, and you want to click here, as you can see, and make sure you will find here like multiple 3 different options here at the bottom. You just to click on like verify integrity. I'm not able to see it here because I already did that. You just need to click here somewhere here for like a button. You just need to click on it so that you can like update or fix any corrupted files inside the game. Okay, if that makes sense. Now it's not appearing here anymore because I already did that. Okay, it's like the 3rd option here. You will see here browse and you will see backup files and you will see here another button, click on it. Okay, so if this guys doesn't work, then the problem is with your graphics. So you want to like update all your graphic drivers, make sure like everything is up to date. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. You want to go to whatever like processor you have, like AMD or whatever processor, and then you want to update all the drivers. That's probably the reason for that. And after you update all the drivers, make sure you turn off your laptop or PC and turn it on again, and the problem is going to be solved the most of the time. 99% of the time, that's the problem. Now that's exactly guys how you can fix it. If this one helped you, like I said, you can just launch this from the file location, search for Marvel Rivals, and then you want to click on it and click on the game directly from the file location. Okay, so that's exactly how you can fix this. Drop a like, see you guys next video. If this doesn't work, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.